Now I'd like to demonstrate a very interesting feature of Aletheia. I'll log in here. Right here on this button, you can easily see that its label is SSH connection. It's also available here, right? I'll click here. Here it shows a way to connect to the system via SSH. Aletheia itself starts an SSH service within it, the Matrix server. Inside the Matrix server, coupled with it is an SSH service, meaning you can connect via SSH directly to the system. Let's do that. I'll open a terminal here. I'll keep it always visible so it doesn't go. So it doesn't leave the screen. The name of this Aletheia here is this, which is its ID. I'm going to need this ID, okay? Just saying. So here's its name and then the ID, just so you can see it clearly. And after that, let's go ahead and connect it together. I just need to get this command right here so that I can generate a token. Right. Now, the token is here, right? Now I'll set up the command to connect, which is basically in this format here. I can use ssh-l aletheia at the ID, right, of the matrix, ssh.agpteam.com-p and this port. Or I can also connect like this, ssh to Aletheia at the ID, which is at ssh.agpteam.com-p32022. Basically, the user ID or the SSH username is Aletheia at the matrix ID. So I'll go there, SSH, which stands for Secure Shell, Aletheia at matrix ID. Let me repeat, that's SSH Aletheia at matrix ID. At symbol. ssh.agity.com-p32022. Now it's asking for the password. I used the token that was generated in that call as the password. It was a call to generate a token. Done. I'm logged in, so I'll run an ls here. I'll run an ls spin. Take a look at the commands I have here. For example, I have cat cd, then I have editors, right? Emacs, vi, then I have the script interpreters, Python, Prolog, JS, JavaScript, Lisp, Common Lisp, right? So, for example, I can, let me just go ahead and run the command ls scripts real quick. I'll just go ahead and run a cat scripts / and then I'll take this one right here, just to make sure everything is in order. Right here, just so you know. Let's run it here. The V, well, it's actually not exactly the original VI editor, okay? It's currently being improved in order to really bring the programs into this SSH environment that runs on top of the process. Java. So this is actually a virtual environment. So I'm going to go ahead and run the scripts / and I'm in VI. Its VI is a bit different, okay? There, it's showing the script line by line, see? This is the script itself. And now I'm going to exit VI. So I'm here in a Unix-like environment, but not exactly Unix. It emulates some of the executables, and we're making this better and better. But the idea is that you can log into it and execute commands, including calling operations of the system itself here. In fact, this is already possible because you can run a command interpreter, for example, JS, and call a script, okay? So you can write a script and run that script using its interpreter, right? JS, Prolog, JavaScript, Prolog, Lisp, or Common Lisp, right? Well, this is actually also a very interesting and noteworthy feature and very powerful, right? Because it makes the server more flexible. You can connect to it using a very robust and flexible protocol like SSH and in command line mode.